How many people have been to the moon? Hello, space enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered just how many people have actually been to the moon? The moon has always fascinated humanity, and the dream of reaching it has inspired countless missions and adventures. But how many have stood on its surface, gazing back at Earth? Let's take a cosmic journey through history and explore how many people have made the giant leap for mankind. The first moon landing, a historic moment. The year was 1969, and the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong became the first person to set foot on the moon during NASA's Apollo 11 mission. That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind, he famously said as he planted his foot in the moon's dust. This moment wasn't just a personal achievement, it was a triumph for all of humanity. Following Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin also set foot on the lunar surface, making them the first two humans to walk on the moon. It was a groundbreaking moment in space exploration, and it marked the beginning of a new era in science and technology. Who else has been to the moon? Since Apollo 11, there have been several other Apollo missions that sent astronauts to the moon. In total, 12 astronauts have walked on the lunar surface, all during the Apollo missions between 1969 and 1972. After Apollo 11, there were Apollo 12, 14, 15, 16, and 17 missions, each of which sent astronauts to explore the moon and conduct experiments. The last person to walk on the moon was Eugene Cernan of Apollo 17 in 1972. He left behind a historic legacy as the last human to set foot on the lunar surface. Until now. Why haven't more people been to the moon? It's been decades since humans last visited the moon, and you might wonder why more people haven't followed in the footsteps of Armstrong, Aldrin, and the others. The reason is simple: moon landings are extremely expensive and complicated. After Apollo 17, NASA shifted its focus to other space exploration projects, and the cost of sending astronauts to the moon was no longer seen as a top priority. So, how many people have actually been to the moon? A total of 12 astronauts have walked on the lunar surface during the Apollo missions. But don't worry, the moon isn't done with us yet. More astronauts may be landing there soon. Do you think it's time for humans to return to the moon and perhaps set up a base there? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas on the next chapter of lunar exploration. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.